Can Zorin OS actually replace Windows 11 for your daily productivity? Today, we're putting them head-to-head in a real-world gauntlet. We're testing everything from document creation and media consumption to light gaming and video conferencing to find out. First up, the look and feel. So Windows 11 went for a centered look, while Zorin OS offers a layout that feels instantly familiar to any Windows user. Installation on Zorin is surprisingly fast and clean, often dodging the bloatware and forced account sign-ins we see on Windows. For productivity, Zorin comes with LibreOffice out of the box. It handles most doc formats, though power users might miss specific VBA macros. Browsing is a wash. Chrome, Firefox, and Edge run perfectly on both, meaning your cloud-based workflow won't miss a beat. Media consumption is seamless. Zorin includes all the necessary codecs, so your 4K movies and Spotify playlists work instantly. Gaming, thanks to Steam and Proton, thousands of Windows games now run natively on Linux with near identical performance. Hardware support has come a long way. Most printers, webcams, and GPUs are recognized immediately on Zorin without manual hunting. Zorin is lean. On older hardware, it's significantly snappier, using fewer resources to keep your system responsive. Privacy is where Zorin wins big. No telemetry, no forced ads in the start menu, and no data mining of your habits. Customization is endless. Want your OS to look like a Mac? Or maybe Windows 7, you can change it with a single click. The software store is your one-stop shop. It integrates Flatpak and Snap, giving you access to almost every modern app you need. File management is intuitive. If you can use Windows Explorer, you'll feel right at home with Zorin's clean file system. Multitasking is robust. Snap layouts work similarly to Windows, keeping your workspace organized and efficient. Updates are non-intrusive. Unlike Windows, Zorin won't force a restart in the middle of your work for a mandatory update. Is there a learning curve? Honestly, for the average user, it's practically zero. Most of what you do is already identical. Support is excellent. Between the official Zorin help pages and the massive Linux community, answers are just a search away. The biggest hurdle remains proprietary apps like Adobe. If you rely on specific niche Windows software, check for alternatives first. Stability is a hallmark of Zorin. Built on a rock-solid Linux foundation, system crashes are rare to non-existent. So, summary, Zorin wins on speed, privacy, and cost. Windows 11 holds the edge on legacy software and hardcore gaming. The verdict? For 90% of people, Zorin OS is a seamless, superior alternative that breathes new life into your hardware. Ready to make the switch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.